Good morning, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. So what's really happening or what happened last week? So yeah, last week we did not actually have enough economic news, but this week it seems to be a different story. We're going to have actually from Monday, we're going to have PMI. Powell is also going to speak around 5 p.m. And PMI mostly will actually move, especially on gold and and some currency pairs, especially USD currency pairs. So on Tuesday we have cash rates or interest rates for Australia, 5:30. Uh, Again, we have job openings on Tuesday. It's not gonna move the market that much. So on Wednesday we have official rates for or interest rates for New Zealand. This one I know they move, but it's gonna be very late. Actually, early in the morning, 3 a.m. When we go on Wednesday, we also have PMI for US. This is also going to move the market. Thursday, unemployment claims or jobless claims. On Fridays, it's unemployment change or NFP. Unemployment change for Canada and also for US 2:30. We need to check this one out. I hope the market is going to move very, very, very nice. So this is what we're going to actually check this week. So it's going to be a very busy week. So maybe we will see the market reverse or keep pushing lower. We saw that Nasdaq, US30, they were all pushing to the lowest side. So let's go to the analysis. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening? We started with GBPJPY, still on that uptrend. On a bigger time frame, you can easily see that yes, the market is been doing what? Pushing to the upside. And now we actually touched this support area. I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. That's what I see. I think we had some reversal. I will go actually on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. But I think we have a smaller reversal, but I still believe that we're still going to see the market pushing to the upside. So let's go on 4 hours time frame and see. I hope you are here, and if you are the first, if you are, it's your first time here, don't forget to smash that for that subscribe, like, share with your friends. If you are not new, don't forget to smash that like. So this is 4 hours time frame. Let's just do auto. On 4 hours time frame, you can see that yes, the market was going down along the way. The market was reversing, but the bigger picture was it was still actually on an uptrend. So that's why we touched this support area. Now I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing up. I can see the reversal here. If you check here, we had a very nice resistance coming down along the way. Here it's where the market actually did what? The market actually respected this area. I'm expecting the market to reverse and push to the upside. That's what I see. You see, so from here, I'm just expecting to see some very nice bullish momentum. I'm expecting to buy. There's nothing much of GBP this week. I'm talking about economic events, so which means we can trade very nice. We can trade very nice without thinking about any economic news or any major economic news. Or maybe the opposite might happen. Maybe we'll see the market going towards our support area. But for us to say we need to sell, it means we have to see the market breaking out of the support area. And we can say the market, it's now looking like it's about to go lower. So, you know, we have to check DXY dollar index. If you check dollar index here, it's quite straightforward that yes, it's still actually on an aggressive bullish move. And around these areas, you can see that around these areas, it's our strongest resistance. Guess what? The market broke out of that. It's now doing what? It's pushing to the upside. And I thought maybe the market was going to push to the upside on Friday. I mean on other pairs like US30 and Nasdaq. Guess what? The market actually, when we go back on dollar index, it's the time the market was reversing. And guess what? The market touched that support. it seems like the market wants to continue pushing to the upside. And if the market continues like that, it means we're still going to see gold pushing lower, Nasdaq pushing lower, US30 pushing lower. So all those pairs, you see. But besides that, you can easily see that the structure is what is still actually on a very nice uptrend, which means we can expect other pairs to do what? To still suffer when the dollar is getting stronger. So this can be actually your indicator. This can be actually your indicator, you see. So another thing is, let's push to the next one. I think someone said, Kenzo, can you explain what's really happening with CNBC? You know, let me check that after I'm done with the analysis. Then we can go on CNBC. I hope I'm not going to forget that. So what's really happening on Gbpusd? I will just use 4 hours time frame because I think it's straightforward. But if you check, you can easily see that after we broke out of that uptrend, you can go back on my previous analysis. You will see that yes, we are actually on a very stronger downtrend. The market is going down very nice. I like the fact that the market did actually go very closer to this resistance, even though the market did not really touch that. But I think that makes sense that the market was very closer. But since we are actually on a downtrend, the market has to continue with the trend. So which means maybe you can still wait for the market to come back around that area. I don't know if it will come back, but there is a chance for the market to come back and keep selling. So the aim here is to do what? Is to keep selling the market as we are actually on a downtrend. I hope you understand that. So I think it's just straightforward. So tomorrow we're also going to go deeper on this when the market start to move. So now we are actually on Euro USD, quite similar to what we saw actually on Gbpusd. You can easily see that yes, the market already created a very nice downtrend. You can see the way the market did touch. But down here, the market also created something. You can see that it's a support. Now that support, it's what? That support is now our resistance. So which means for those who actually follow Euro USD, they were going to have something like this here as an option. To have that seller there, it was going to be a very nice option. Or maybe something like this. Maybe you can wait for the market to reach our resistance. Then you can say, okay, once the market reaches here, I will go actually with a sell. Or just because we have another structure here, it's also a very good idea to take that sell. I hope you see that. So the bigger picture is we are actually on a downtrend and we are supposed to look for those sell positions. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Whoa. Yeah, this one, it's seriously selling its gold. The bigger picture here is, as I've been talking about this for quite some time, we can easily see that yes, the market has been actually showing us that it's actually selling. The market has been selling for quite some time, guys. But after the market broke out on this support area that I've shown you, the market has been seriously bleeding. I thought maybe the market was going to recover, especially on Friday. I saw the market trying to push to the upside. I thought, you know what? Maybe it's time. Maybe it's time for the market to do what? To start to recover a little bit. I thought maybe the market was going to create something like that. Guess what? The market did not really do that. Respected our downtrend and kept pushing lower. Unfortunately, I think we did not really take this one here. I think we did not really take this option. I mean, this trade. So I think it's the time the market was pushing to the upside, you see. So I think maybe we will see it actually tomorrow and see if maybe we can still get on that sell. But I think where we are now, the market is actually oversold. There is actually a chance for the market to reverse and push the upside before we see another continuation of that sell. That's what I see. So let's push to the next one, which is actually US30. US30 also gave us some fake moves, but I understand. You can see that the bigger picture is the market was pushing to the upside. Or maybe let me just go on a daily time frame just to show other guys or other traders who were actually not here when I did the analysis since a few days ago. On a daily time frame, you can easily see that yes, the market has been actually on a very nice uptrend, and we were expecting the market to continue like that. But guess what? The market disagreed and broke out of that support area. That's why we now see a very nice downtrend. So actually, it's actually the start of this downtrend. I still believe the market can still continue if things are going to be bearish on US30. I still believe that we will see some stronger sell. So let's go on 4 hours time frame just to understand what's really happening. On 4 hours time frame, you can easily see that yes, on Friday actually things were, the market seems to be trying to push the upside. You can see here we had a very proper, very nice support area. The market was pushing down very nice. You can see the market was pushing very nice. Let me just go on a smaller time frame then, maybe a 1 hour time frame. Maybe that will help. Let me see, because I like to use 4 hours time frame, guys, because everything is quite clear on that time frame. So what we had was we had a very nice structure pushing to the lower side. You can see the market was pushing lower and lower. So I thought maybe the market, since it broke out, we thought that, okay, maybe the market is getting out of this downtrend, and then the market did close above that. So we had a pending order. I thought maybe the market was going to push the upside. Guess what? The market rejected. Then now we see the market is going back on that downtrend again. It's not really surprising. Sometimes the market can do something like this, but not every day. So the bigger picture here is, I think the continuation of this downtrend, it started. I think the market will keep pushing lower and lower. But guess what? We will be controlled by the market. Whatever that the market is going to create on the chart, we're going to follow that. We're not just going to follow our thing, right? So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. Nasdaq also did the same thing, guys. Also broke out of that support. You can see the market was pushing up very nice. Guess what? Things changed very quick. Then we saw the market pushing lower. The structure is quite straightforward because we are actually on a downtrend. I thought actually on Friday, because even if we have this reversal here, I don't think that makes sense. I think something that makes sense is this one. We have this downtrend. Let's see, something like that. We have something like that, and we expecting the market to do what? I'm expecting the market to actually, I was expecting the market to do what? To actually continue like this. So once the market gets out here, we can see also a retest. I thought maybe that's time for the market to do what? To keep pushing up. Yes, that was still going to be a hit and run, because maybe the market can push up and come back where the market actually broke out for a retest. I think the market was going to come here for a retest before maybe pushing lower. I hope you understand that. But guess what? The market did not really do that. The market pushed up a little bit, touched our pending order. You can see the market closed above the structure. So we had a green light actually to take that buy. So unfortunately, the market reversed. So, but I'm still expecting the market to keep pushing to the up, to keep push to the upside, or to keep going to the upside until maybe we see a retest there. We don't know. Maybe the market will reach that. If not, maybe we will see the market continuing pushing lower. But the best thing is to wait for the market structures. But this week is going to be quite difficult, as we have some actually high impact news along the way. So let me check if maybe we can get to see some CNBC. So I saw someone said, can you explain maybe how maybe the news affects maybe the way the market moves, or maybe let's say specifically CNBC. It's not actually CNBC that controls the market. It's the analysis that they have. Mostly they are accurate. If let's go maybe here, 5 things to know. I think that was on Friday. So if you go through out of these points, mostly you will get clues on what might happen, because these guys, they analyze, they are analysts, right? Economic analysts. So they analyze the market, and mostly they will come back with some few points and tell us what might happen. Not only CNBC, there is Bloomberg, there is Yahoo, they all have their analysts, right? So let's see. Key points, what happened actually on Friday. The market are closing out a disappointing September. US equal whatever. So let's go on the first point. I just want to see, or maybe I want you to understand what they actually say that maybe can make you to decide whether to buy or to sell, right? So let's see. First point, happy times ahead. Okay, markets are closing out a disappointing September with the Dow Jones or US30 down 3% month to date, heading to the trading day of period. It's down whatever. S&P 500 is down. Nasdaq it's down nearly 6%. September is often a down period for the market. That is the clue there. Over the past decade, it's been the worst month for S&P, shading 1.5 on average. In contrast, that month has been second best performing, 10 years gaining. So mostly, I won't go on every point, right? But if you go on 5 things to know, mostly they will say the market is set to sell or the market is set to buy according to their analysis, but not on every updates that they give. Sometimes they will tell you that the market is set to open higher or the market is set to open lower, and now you will understand because they will also give you the reasons why they say that. So let me try, maybe I will find something. If I don't find that, I will just post it. You will just go and try to check that, right? Let's see. Let me just check that. The stock sliding final entering last has dipped 2%, has fallen and has dropped avoiding whatever. So I don't really see that. So, but if we go on this economic news, guys, mostly they will say the market is set to open higher. They might be wrong sometimes, but mostly they are actually right. So try to check Bloomberg markets, and also you will know they will say 5 things to know also. I think they call them 5 things or things to know before the market open. Then from there you can have a clue because they actually summarize everything for you and you will understand what will happen. I hope you understand. So just try to check that. It's not like maybe CNBC or something. As actually they do the analysis, and mostly just because CNBC is the one which is popular for us traders, then mostly we think maybe CNBC affects whatever that happens when they say buy or sell, something like that. So I hope you understand. Anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I hope this update or this analysis will help you. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.